So, why does God allow growth to happen slowly?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Zechariah speaks to people rebuilding their lives slowly after seasons of fear, loss, and discouragement. Let's slow down and look carefully. Many people wanted immediate success and fast results after difficult experiences. This might surprise you. The brain often becomes frustrated when progress feels slower than expected. Most people miss this part. Zechariah keeps encouraging people to keep building faithfully even when growth feels small at first. Here is the deeper layer. God often allows growth to happen slowly because steady rebuilding creates stronger character, resilience, and wisdom over time.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Zechariah describes people trying to rebuild after emotional exhaustion and disappointment. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Discouragement and impatience were slowly affecting hope and motivation. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Small acts of faithfulness were quietly creating long-term restoration. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Emotional resilience slowly develops through repeated patient choices. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still feel frustrated when healing, learning, or personal growth takes longer than expected. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated steady habits slowly train the brain toward patience, focus, and emotional strength.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated habits slowly strengthen neural pathways connected to focus and resilience. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through repetition and consistency. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Discouragement slowly increases when frustration repeats daily. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Patience and emotional regulation slowly strengthen through practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more resilient or more emotionally discouraged over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny faithful habits quietly reshape the brain and emotional health.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People often quit early when progress feels slow or difficult. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Frustration can quickly weaken motivation and confidence. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly affects focus, patience, and self-control. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated impatience slowly increases discouragement and emotional pressure. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Fast technology and instant entertainment often train people to expect immediate results.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Growth usually starts very quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily faithful habits slowly build emotional resilience and wisdom. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns healthier emotional and behavioral responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Patience and consistency slowly become easier through repeated practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny seeds slowly grow into strong trees through steady care and time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during frustration or discouragement. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional honesty helps the brain process challenges more safely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one steady step matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional growth usually develops slowly through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small faithful habits slowly strengthen patience and emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Continue one small healthy habit today even if progress feels slow. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one steady action matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when frustration or impatience begins taking control. 4. Adjust without quitting, emotional growth usually happens through repeated small choices. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again, small faithful habits slowly create stronger patience and emotional wisdom. Remember, lasting growth usually happens slowly through small repeated choices made faithfully over time. God stays close during rebuilding, healing, and patient growth, especially when people keep moving forward steadily. Every small faithful and consistent decision is helping your brain, emotions, and character grow stronger and wiser each day. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.